And howdy guys, today I want to talk about how easy it is to build agentic experiences with Langgraph and Copilotkit. So I've created this little demo repo. By the way, the code is available in the comments. And in this repo, we're able to chat with an agent, and the agent is then able to update the UX. And in this example, I've told the agent to filter risk vulnerabilities according to Cisco. It has filtered according to Cisco, and then I asked it to filter where they are critical vulnerabilities, and then it went ahead and filtered by the critical vulnerabilities. And in this way, we can create experiences similar to Claude and Cursor. And for the example, we also have these sessions drop down. If I create a new session here, I'm then going to be able to create a new investigation in a new session, and within this investigation I'm going to start chasing down another topic, another theory. So here I'm going to say filter by the IBM vendors, filter by the IBM or any of these choices over here. Let's just go with by the AT&T vendor. Okay. Alrighty, the agent has now searched for the AT&T, and just like that, the state has been updated here. So the cool thing about this, by the way, is that I'm now able to go back into my previous session as well. And if you recall, in the previous session, we were investigating a different topic of critical vulnerabilities under a different vendor, and that was the Cisco vendor. And by the way, if we open up the chat, we also have the Cisco chat open over here. So within each session, we get both a visual UX and a chat experience. If I go back into the other one, then I'm going to see the IBM investigation that I was just looking at a moment ago, as well as the AT&T investigation, and also the AT&T UX will also appear here. So the cool thing about this is that this is running on Copilotkit and Langgraph. Langgraph is the backend, and the cool thing about it for the technical viewers is that Langgraph is a stateful application, as is React, and Copilotkit makes it much easier to sync the state between Langgraph and React. So if you've tried to build agentic experiences in the past, you've probably seen repos that were working with WebSockets, and that was very clunky to set up and also to scale, and also to add human in the loop and some other helpers around the agentic experience. And Copilotkit makes it much easier to spin it up and sync the state between Langgraph and your React application. The demo code is available within the comments, and I hope you enjoyed this little demo. And I think we're going to start seeing a lot more of these types of agentic experiences, as opposed to Sears catalog type of experience where the data content is very static and you need to click in order to finally find what you want. You'll probably be able to have a chat box. You type something into the chat box and the UX will automatically update, and there will be a synchronization between the chat experience and the visual experience as well. So hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to give it a like and subscribe, and check out the demo code. Thanks for watching.